In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a date signed field in DocuSign. To get started, log into your DocuSign account and click Start. This is where you begin creating a new transaction, and it's the quickest way to launch the sending process. Once you click Start, choose Envelope from the available options. An envelope in DocuSign is the container that holds your document, recipients, and signing fields. So this is the correct choice when you want to send something out for signature. Next, select Get Signatures. This option is used when you're preparing a document that someone else needs to sign. It sets up the workflow for collecting signatures and any related fields, including the date signed field we'll be adding in just a moment. After that, upload the document you want to send for signing. Make sure you're choosing the final version of the file, since this is the document your recipient will review and sign. Once the upload is complete, add the recipient by entering their name and email address. Double check the information here so the document goes to the right person and the fields can be assigned correctly later on. Now click next to move into the document preparation screen. This is where you'll place all of the interactive fields your signer will use. On the Fields panel, look for the Date Signed field. This field is specifically designed to automatically capture the date when the recipient completes their signature, which helps keep your document accurate and properly documented. Once you find it, drag the Date Signed field onto the document and place it exactly where you want the signing date to appear. Try to position it in a clear, logical area, usually near the signature line or anywhere the date is expected on the form. Good placement makes the signed document look polished and easy to read. After placing the field, make sure it's assigned to the correct recipient. This part is important because if the field is assigned to the wrong person, it may not populate the way you expect. Verifying the recipient assignment ensures the date will be added automatically when that specific signer completes the document. When everything looks good, click Send to send the envelope for signing. Once the recipient signs, DocuSign will automatically fill in the date signed field with the signing date, so you don't have to enter it manually. And that's it. You've successfully added a date signed field in DocuSign. Thanks for watching.